Whole, natural, and complex. Why the names for number systems are not very good. We start with the integers. There's a famous quote by Leopold Kronecker which says that God created the integers and all else is the construction of man. This just means that constructing the integers is boring, and so we just accept that they exist and then move on. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are known as natural numbers, positive integers, counting numbers. The numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are sometimes known as natural numbers, non-negative integers, and whole numbers. Natural numbers is a very bad name because it's not clear what it means. Several references use different notation. The numbers -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 are known as negative integers, so we are going to stick with positive integers for the first set, non-negative integers for the second set, and negative integers for the third. Rational numbers are the pairs a over b, where a and b are integers and b is not 0. We say that two rational numbers are equal, a over b is equal to c over d, whenever ad is equal to bc. For example, 1/3 is equal to 4/12 because 1 times 12 is equal to 3 times 4. Finally, we have the real numbers. The real numbers can be constructed from the rational numbers using a process called Dedekind cuts. Real numbers consist of the rational numbers, decimal numbers, well-known constants such as pi and e, outputs of functions such as natural log of 2, or square root of 2, or cube root of 27, or arcsine of pi over 27. The real numbers that are not rational numbers are called irrational numbers. Just be careful, there are many different ways of representing the same number. We organize real numbers on a line, and we start with 5 axioms of the real numbers. First, that every real number is either positive, negative, or 0, and can only be one of these three. 2, that if x is greater than y, then minus x is less than minus y. 3, if x is greater than y and c is a real number, then x plus c is greater than y plus c. 4, if x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0, then x times y is greater than 0. And finally, if x is greater than y and y is greater than z, then x is greater than z. Later on in this course, we'll also see complex numbers. Complex numbers come from introducing I, which is the square root of -1, that I squared is equal to -1. Complex numbers are of the form x plus y times I, where x and y are real numbers.